Checking out the Video Conference Set Personal, we have the case with the Brooks Hire barcodes and markings on it. Inside we have the eggshell foam to keep everything nice and safe. Firstly, we have a Logitech 720 webcam with our markings and a Velcro tie, and we have the Sennheiser headset with fold-out mic. Worth mentioning to the customer, just showing them that there's no damage to the foam on the pads. This is a USB plug-in, so it will work on Mac or Windows, and bundled up in there is the inline control. Also worth mentioning to the customer that you can mute the mic on the control there and up and down the volume, so if they have any problems with it when they use it, just to point that out to them so that they don't get any problems. Once you've confirmed that with the customer, pop those back in, making sure you've not trapped any of the cables in the edge of the box. Shut that up and it's ready for hire.